Here we go. We've got an Irish lassie here. Megan Kilbane here at Mentor Kia at 9090 Mentor Avenue in beautiful Mentor, Ohio. And Megan's the proud owner of a 2013. What do we got here, Megan? Looks like
Kia
a Forte.
Forte EX, yep.
Kia Forte EX. And what did you tell me earlier about this car? What did it remind you of?
I said this car is like a BMW to me. I love it.
Isn't it neat?
I love
it's
it.
Awesome.
He loves Eddie too.
You like Eddie too?
I love Eddie. I love
taking good care of you
David.
here?
They've been wonderful to me here. I've been here a couple times for some service. They've treated me wonderful.
Everybody's good. Now, who sold you the car here?
Tommy Barrett.
Tommy Barrett. Tommy's a good
Love
guy,
Tom. Love Tom. Tom was very, very accommodating.
too. And the guys in service? You just
The
talked
guys
to
in service are
Eddie?
great. Amber is really nice.
Amber's good.
David, Eddie. The minute I pull in, I mean, they're like, I said to them, it's like they're like family to me. I swear.
Well, you know
They
what?
really are.
You're using our slogan because what we say here at Mentor Kia is "Welcome to Mentor Kia, where we treat you like family." So that's
True.
not just made up. You really
It's
are.
true.
You really believe that
I
you're
believe
being
it.
treated that way.
I have sent people here.
Really?
I would send anyone here, honest to God.
And you were
Was-
saying earlier you're a VA grad.
Yes, I
That
am.
lives in Euclid, but you travel out here to Mentor and work at what?
At Panera. I
So
work
you're
at
right here,
Panera.
Panera
Yep.
Bread.
So I can come on my way home and get it washed. You know, you can come every day and get your car washed if you want. I don't do that, but I come quite often, get it washed. So it always looks nice. It runs great. It's peppy.
Peppy.
I love it.
It looks like a fantastic car.
I love it.
Well,
I love it.
I'll
Thank
take-
you for everything.
Well, thank you, Megan. And I told you I'd make this short and sweet, but
Okay.
you're a delight to talk to here.
Thank
and
you.
thanks so much for your business. And we'll make sure we have our customers visit you there at Panera Bread, Mentor, Ohio.